Alright guys, this is going to be part 2 of the quad video. I'm just going to replace the valve stems and fix the leaking tires with some slime. So I'm going to get to it. So I know that I'm going to have to get new tires here pretty soon, but I'm more just trying to get them ready to go so that he can use it. My kid can ride this quad, and then I'll get new tires when I cross that bridge, or more like when I get the money. So I forgot that I had this shop press, this 20-ton hydraulic press. I forget I have it all the time, and I thought I'd use it to break the beads instead of doing the old-fashioned red neck 2x6 in a tire or a truck. So for time's sake, I'm only going to do 2 tires, and because I'm sure nobody wants to watch me work on all 4 tires. I could not get that first front tire's bead off that I broke. I got to take my truck into the tire shop and get them to do a rotation on my truck tires. I think I might just have them break the beads on that too, hopefully free of charge. So I purchased a whole bunch of these, a different assortment of them on Amazon for like 10 bucks. They're probably not the best valve stems, but I'm sure they're all right. So it looks like the camera died right when I pulled this through, of course, but there it is. There's a new valve stem. Just going to do the other one real quick and hopefully catch that. Someone definitely used some slime on these tires. Which I don't mind. Slime works pretty good, I think. I like the stuff. But there we go. I actually caught that one. So now the fun part. So I'm seeing a few leaks around the tires, where there's just holes from these tires being old and dry rotted. But I'm just going to leave it for now. There's one right there. But I'll put some slime in it after we get this thing going. That way the slime can get spread around in there. And then, yeah, so first thing, when I get a little bit of money, I'll put some tires on it. Order some off of Amazon, some more cheapies, because this thing doesn't need anything great. I'll just keep them aired down at the right air pressure and they'll probably be pretty good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I already gave you the thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of the quad. I know it's Chinese. I don't really have a high opinion of Chinese quads, but who makes a better quad for kids than the Chinese? Pretty much everybody. But who makes a cheaper quad than the Chinese for kids? Nobody. So I think this thing's going to be all right. I think my kid will have some fun on it. And I'm handy enough that things that break, I'll be able to go find it on Amazon, replace it. It's not that big of a deal. And the parts are super cheap with these things. So I might do kind of a video on my thoughts on Chinese quads in the future. I don't know. I think people are tired of hearing me talk. But anyway, I hope you have a good one. Thanks for watching.